How to upload videos to Google Drive and save them. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google Drive. Simply search for Google Drive and then open it. Now select the account in which you want to upload your videos to. After that, tap on plus new. Now go to upload. Now select the video that you want to upload and wait for it to get uploaded. After it is uploaded, what you can do is tap on this three dot and then go to share. Simply add people or groups from here and send the request. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.